Good evening, everyone. Welcome to RadioSilentPlay.com. I am your moderator for today on April 20th, 2015. Let me start off by saying I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own due diligence before trading any stock or options. Trading stocks and options require lots of risk. Okay, so today on the SPY, we noticed that we had a nice gap up. Okay, we tested that 2071, which we mentioned was a buy zone trigger for our option traders. Traders went in on the May 15th, mid-May contracts, and we actually purchased them near the lows of the day on Friday. Today the market's gapped up a little bit, hit a high of 210, which that triggered our target 1. Now what we're looking for is a test of this resistance level here at 211. Okay, so watch this resistance here at 211. I still feel that the markets have upside potential. Okay, if you notice here, it did test these bottom of the trend line and it never broke below this. Okay, we always make sure that we look for that 2-day confirmation below this these master levels. Okay, if you look here, okay, the 8-day moving average right now is at 209.50. You got good support there, and you also have that support here at 208.15. So I want traders to make sure that you look, okay, and you try to scale into this trade if you're not in. Okay, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you look for a pullback. Okay, a pullback down to that 208.19 level should be a good support level. Okay, so moving on to the Qs, like we said, again, we took the Qs, we entered the trade at 105.80. Okay, and now we gapped up and we hit our target of 107. Okay, just a great move. Looking for this 108.75 level to be tested next, and a potential move higher. Okay, this the Qs, the Nasdaq 100 is still in a nice uptrend channel. If you look here, it tested it here and it tested it here, and now it tested it here, kissed this level, and now it's trading, higher. So I expect the markets to continue their strength into this week. At the same time, remember to lock profits whenever you're in these type of trades, especially when you had a nice gap up. Okay, the Apple broke that wedge pattern. Okay, maybe this could be the setup. Look for that close above 127 again tomorrow for a confirmation. If it does, watch this 130 test. Like we mentioned, the Bollinger Bands here were tight in between these Kellner channels, triggering a pulse, okay, on the upside. So we're looking for that 130 target to be hit, possibly this week or next. Okay, just a great trade. If you look at the UUP right now, we had a little bit of a bounce on the UUP. That 25.50 is still good support here on the 25.50 level. So just keep an eye on the UUP. Okay, remember, markets work inverse to what the dollar does. If you see this break down or break lower, you should see some buying and a move higher in the equities market. Okay, moving on to FDX. Okay, we're looking for that 170, 171. It kissed that 160, 170 level today, kissed that 170 level, and then it actually pulled down. So you could have actually entered at 170 today. So just keep an eye on that 171, okay, 172 level. If you close above 172.54, then you're gonna stop out, because then this could start trending here up in this channel. Regardless, you're seeing lower highs here. So the FDX and also the transport stocks are a lot weaker. Okay, the Adobe, ADBE, if you notice here, that 72.50 mark was hit again. Okay, for a trigger. This is still in a bullish flag inside pattern. Okay, so watch this 75 level be tested. Okay, so traders that are not in, look for that 72.50 to $73.40 pullback if you need, if you want to get garner an entry there. Okay, the Bed Bath & Beyond, okay, we were expecting this to hold this level. Okay, kissed it. Now watch this this stock close a little higher. I'll move my stop close below 72. Okay, because I think that we're gonna pop back up and we're gonna get back into this channel. So just traders that are in this stock, just move your stop to a close below 72 on 2 consecutive closes. Okay, so moving on to OTCs, we had a great trade on the REVO. It still had a continuation. It was an official 10 bagger. It hit high of 0.0136 today from our 0.0009 to 0.0012 entry. Those were the probability trade levels, okay, given back in early March. And the stock since then posted some news, and you hit a high of 0.0136. Now watch that retrace level. This saw a low of close to here to 0.004 range. Okay, what I'm looking at now is that 22 to 28 level. Okay, for a pullback. If it does hit that level, watch the support levels. Could be a rinse and repeat entry to test that 0.007 to 0.01 level. Okay, so that's the REVO trade. The RMRK, okay, this was a setup that was given into the weekly watches. This actually triggered today. Hit a low of 0.0012. Okay, triggered at 13 to 17. Where buy zones are closed at 18. Watch for a stock to break above that pivot of 0.0025. If it does, okay, I would not be surprised for this to retest that 0.004 level. Okay, it's just a great trade for traders. The ECDP given out last week. This was a stock that was given at 0009, gave an opportunity to enter 9 and 10. Retested that 14 level for a nice 40 to 50%. Now what we're looking for is this stock to either hold this 000911 probability level or break either below it or above this 14. I still think that we'll break above 14. Okay, but watch for 2 consecutive closes to confirm that. The SREH now, since then it's pulled back, hit a high of 0.002. Now watch for any bullish inside flag pattern here. Okay, just a great trade from that 0006 target or trigger entry. It hit a high of 0.002 over 200%. Just a great move from the bottoms. ICBU, if you look here, okay, you got a bullish, mini bullish flag here. I'm looking for this 0.0034 to break soon. Okay, if it does break, would not be surprised to test this 43 level and this 0.0085 level. If you look here, the Bollinger Bands here getting in between the Kellner channel, triggering a pulse. Okay, this should be a nice solid play. It reminds me a lot of the FWDG trade that went from 20 to about 0.008. Okay, so that's I think that this has potential to move maybe a 200-300% move. Okay, the NUVI, this was a stock that we noticed loading. Okay, this actually triggered at between 0.0022 and 28. Okay, the stock today hit a high of 0.006, broke that pivot of 0.0044. Now what you want to see is another close above this 0.0044 level. If it does, should test this 0.006 level again and potentially test this 0.0125 in the medium term. Okay. Next stock is DIRV. This was a stock post reverse split that was triggered at 15. Okay, gave an opportunity to enter between 18 and 20. Okay, the stock since then has posted a nice gain, a high of 0.0068. Just a great move, a little over 200%. What we're looking for now is a confirmation close above this 50-day moving average, second day confirmation. That should be a move and a retest of these levels here. Okay, this is a post reverse split, so I would not be surprised if this thing hits 0.018. Okay, that's it for today. I will be doing these updates now via video. Okay, I think it gives traders a little bit more hands-on look at what's going on, and traders feel a little comfortable with the updates. Okay, I'll see you then. Have a great trading week.